With Fergus Go, creating purchase orders on the go is easier than ever. It keeps everything organised under the job and cuts down on the time you'd normally spend filling out paperwork after hours. Let me show you how it works. First, open the job card, scroll down to the Tools section, and select Purchase Orders. If your job has multiple phases, you can use the chips at the top of the screen to switch between them and make sure you're working on the right one. Tap the Add button in the bottom right corner. The first step is to choose the order type. Are you requesting a price, picking up the order yourself, or having it delivered? For this example, let's go with delivery. Next up, you'll see an automatically generated order number. You don't need to change it unless you want to. This number ensures the invoice for this order matches the right job later on, especially if you're using the Supplier Documents tab on the desktop, so we recommend keeping it the same where possible. Curious about supplier documents? Check out our guide on supplier documents for more details. Next, you'll need to select the supplier. Click Choose Supplier and either pick a supplier from the existing options or add a new supplier at the top of the page. Now, let's fill out the rest of the purchase order details. Add the contact, date and time, delivery address, and any notes or delivery instructions. Then, decide if you want to show the cost and sell prices of the line items on the PDF. Just tick the boxes to adjust these settings. Finally, let's add the line items. Tap Add a line item to get started. You can search your price books using the search bar or manually add custom line items if needed. Don't forget to adjust quantities as required here as well. Once you've added all the line items you need, tap Save in the top right corner. You'll then be prompted to email the purchase order. If you choose to email it, you'll be taken to a draft email where you can add the recipient, update the message, and when it's ready, tap Send in the top right corner. Pickup and delivery purchase orders can be converted to invoices to come. From the purchase orders screen, tap on a saved purchase order and scroll to the bottom of the page. Tap on Create an invoice to come to automatically create a supplier document for this order. And that's it! You've created and sent a purchase order right from Fergus. Quick, simple, and hassle-free whilst on the go.